Guys, FD in the house, dude.
He's just opening Elite Plus packs. What rubbish is this?
It's Dingy. Look at Ding.
Ding.
Yeah.
Dinge. Delete that.
Hey, no, don't delete it. What is wrong with you?
Everything.
No. Why are you even here? Screw off. Back home. Weirdo.
Finn's getting embarrassed on YouTube. I'm joking.
Down.
Finn, don't record this. Just delete it.
No, I will do what I want. Whoa.
He said powerfully. I will do
It's
what
fine,
I
we're
want.
gonna get an icon. This pack. See,
Next
Fernandez is an icon.
He's an icon.
Of course he is.
Yeah. He
So
scored,
it's
his,
like-
he
he's
scored
a
his
Man-
first goal
he's a
for
Man
Man U
United-
with his face. Did you see that?
Yeah, I've seen that. Did you see that?
He's
He's a Man United legend, just like Radamel Falcao. What a
Fucked mass.
Wait, you swore.
Torero.
Right, okay,
Whoa.
we're gonna get into some good.
No, do the LTM. LTM. I can't speak. No, I have the lucky touch.
Go on, do it then.
Okay, ready? That was your touch.
Oh,
Be Jesus or Coutinho.
Coutinho, Obi Sanchez.
Oh, it's gonna be ratty. You just know it.
Yes.
You just blooming know it, Jeff. Let me open a pack now.
You just did.
No, you opened it.
Guys, didn't he just open that pack?
We have fake cam.
Joking.
Let me do it. Joking, I'm
Actually, you
joking.
can do that if you want.
Yay, thank you. That's really nice of you. Right, if I get you Ronaldo, you have to give me your spare Ronaldo. You have to give it to me.
This happened yesterday.
Rafa. It's Rafa. Except Rafa doesn't have that much pace.
Good.
Yeah. Oh, I'm 12 in, or however you say it. Why you open it? Silly boy. Oh my god. It's not even a wall.
It's fine. It's
It's
the
a
new
troll.
Ronaldo.
Oh, look, it's Mbappe again.
Okay, watch this. Icon.
Imagine if it's like
Be
a moment's
everyone.
once.
Please.
Got him.
Shevchenko.
Shevchenko.
Nice. He's prime. What even is his prime?
I think it's like 90. It's that bad. God, it's 88.
What is wrong with his face? Got some nice music.
Cheers. Cheers, Kieran.
Dad, I need to Daddy.
Oh my god, I swear if you get him. Could be, he could be Bran. Hey, it's Bran. It's not Kai Havertz. It's not
Oh,
Kai.
Brand! Yes!
Your dad's gonna come out. What are you doing up here, lads?
Nice. Good stuff. Good stuff.
Carlos Vela. Love to see it. No, everyone, what are you doing?
One each. Let me do some more.
Oh, that's really nice. I think
You're
that,
so
I think
scared.
the sharing is
You're
caring.
so
you know.
scared of...
You're gonna get
Sing your
Donnarumma.
voice.
Donnarumma. I can't speak.
Be
Mancini.
Yes.
Is it your cup?
No.
Why you say yes then?
Because...
It may just run away from me.
Harry, don't be cringy.
I never know what
The hell is that?
That's our headliners. Oh my god!
Really?
Imagine if you get Pogba. Son.
Ooh, that's cool.
Why would it be Son? Of course it's going to be Yang Hu.
90.
That's
That's quite
a
good.
pretty nice card.
Harry, could you stop?
I like doing that. You
Well,
know what I'm saying, mate?
Mate.
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 Matey.
What's this? Ronaldo.
Oh, Sommer. It could be Sommer.
Zuba, probably. No, not Zuba.
Seferovic. I think that's his name.
90.
Seferovic.
That's how old he is.
Seferovic. Oh my gosh, I got it right.
Oh, well done. You can say names.
Oh,
Wolf,
duplicate.
wolf.
We got a duplicate. I mean, that's pretty good for him.
Harry! The hell?
That's an all-star nominee.
It's like a mint.
You could get the new new Hazard. No, you get Harry Kane. Of course you do.
He's Sterling. Because he's plays for Tottenham, obviously.
90 rated. That's not bad, you know.
He looks like you, doesn't he? Completely. See, that's why you shut Harry out.
Subscribe to HHfootball.
Come on, it's going to be messy. Watch this.
3, 2, 1, Brazilian. It's going to be
I've
Mbappe.
already got him.
Mbappe.
Yeah, I've already
That's
got
a good one for trading.
him. Yeah. It's duplicate.
So in your training you do Ronaldo, Mbappe, and get out your favourite player, Dean Henderson.
There's just another icon.
Imagine if it's a Moments Fonts.
We hate the
It's Seb
Larsen.
Larsen. Is it Seb?
Seb? It's
No.
Henrik.
I get mixed up with that Larsen that used to play for
90.
with his prime. That's a bit
How
nice.
dare you offend the Man United legend?
Larsen.
He scored 3 goals for us.
Remember your legend called Diego Forlan?
Yeah, he got 2 against Liverpool.
Oh,
No, it's not really Messi. Don't get it.
I know.
It's
Oh, isn't it?
Buenietti.
Yeah.
I thought he's a
Is that duplicate?
Yeah.
I can do the SBC for you again
95
at 6 o'clock.
Harry!
What?
Stop!
Stop doing what? Oh, back to back, and they're not even the guaranteed packs. That's pretty good. Oh,
French.
Lala. That's actually Kenny Lala. That's 94.
We love the. That's my.
He's one of your best players in your club.
Yeah, he's my
Best
third.
defender.
He's my joint best team of the season.
Oh, and Bellotti. Bellotti.
Mate, please do.
Open the LTMs. They're not as good as the team of the seasons. Bellotti.
Please don't even try.
If you get Ronaldo.
Ronaldo!
Oh, if you get Neymar.
Neymar!
If you get Maicon.
Oh, no, I've got him, I think. I think I've got
It's
him.
not Maicon, if it is. It's like Mariano.
Yeah, I've
Yes.
got another duplicate.
Another duplicate, lady.
Another one.
Oh, and another duplicate.
We
Hey,
love
yeah.
the another team of the
The
season.
We're popping off.
Messi. No, don't get your hopes up.
Messi.
No.
It's Pavon, isn't it? Oh, it's not even
Wait.
Pavon.
Who even is this?
Bennett.
Why has he got a team of the season if he doesn't play for a club? Well done, you sat at home on your
No,
sofa.
do the LTM first. What are you doing?
You think I'm just going to get 5 team of the season walkouts in a row. Watch this. Messi.
Alright. Oh! Oh! 96 Ericsson.
That's my
That's 96.
that's my joint second best player.
Yeah, why do you just like... It's your best team of the season.
Yeah.
I mean, you're going to get team of the year in this pack, obviously.
What is that?
Or that could be Messi. It's a Europa League, Champions League man of the match.
Dude, you know Messi played in the Europa League.
It's gonna be Ikai Gundogan. Joking. Come on, mate, take a joke.
Alright, final part is going to be...
The special packs?
Yep.
No.